to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we are going to learn how to auto-post journals in Oracle Fusion General Ledger. If you are tired of manually posting journals every time, this feature can save you a lot of time and help automate your accounting process. In this video, I will show you what auto-post is, how to create auto-post criteria sets, how to schedule it, and how to make sure your journals are posted automatically without any manual effort. So let's get started. So in real time, posting a journal is a tedious job for user and business user on daily basis. They will enter hundreds of thousands of journals and they may also forget to post the journals. Oracle provides auto post as a functionality. The data will be entered by the users and then user will save the journals and they will click on complete button. All the journals which are in complete status will be selected and posted by system automatically. The reason for adding this complete button is to facilitate, because in previous versions of Oracle, user used to create journals and user will save them, and if auto post is scheduled and it is selecting those journals as well, and the other user and the user has not yet completed the creation of journals. Example, user is creating a general batch, he has only 5 journals, and in future time user needs to add the remaining journals, and in that case what will happen in previous versions of Oracle is that any journal that is created and saved will be selected and processed for posting by system once auto post is enabled. So in those cases, uncompleted general batches are also getting selected and getting posted by AutoPost. And since those journals are posted by system and in future, if users wants to edit and add new journals to that existing batch, the user is not able to do that. To overcome those issues, Oracle has done what Oracle has done is they have added complete functionality, and with this, if the user is creating a general and if he's saving and click on complete, and if the generals are complete, if the general batch is in complete status, it will it will be changed from complete to incomplete. Sorry, incomplete to complete. System pick those generals in auto post only. The generals which are in completed status, those generals will be picked by auto post and posted. Generally, we will schedule this auto post job. 95% of the clients will schedule it for 4 hours. Now let's see and understand how we can create auto post criteria sets. So first we'll create auto post criteria set, and then we'll create the journals, and then we'll run auto post, and lastly we'll see how we can schedule this job. And the task is manage auto post criteria sets. Click on your username, click on setup and maintenance. Now search for the task called manage auto post criteria sets. Auto post criteria sets. Now this is the page. Now hit create button to create your criteria set. ERPZEN, give the name ERPZEN auto post ERPZEN auto post criteria set. Now check the flag called enable. Now hit on add row. So priority 1, select our ledger, ERPZEN, select our ledger, ERPZEN primary ledger. Here, if you select all the sources like payables, receivables, whatever the source, those generals, those sources of those generals with all the sources will be picked up by our auto post criteria set. Now here category say all. Now whatever the category, say for example adjustments, approval or some of the categories. If you select adjustment, only adjustment generals will be picked by our auto post criteria set. If I select the option called all the categories of journals will be selected by this AutoPost criteria set. Now select accounting period. I want to go with December. Now balance type as actual. Now here, if you see this option, number of days before submission date. Number of days before submission date means if you run auto post, it will go back to 5 days and then see if there are any unposted generals. The system will pick those unposted generals, and if there are more generals which are more than 5 days, then system will not pick those generals for auto post and it will leave it as blank. And if you leave it as blank, then for that particular accounting period or for any accounting period which is in open status, if there are any unposted generals, then system will select them and then process them for posting. Now as of now I want to leave this as blank. Say save, say save and close. Click on done. Now let's create a journal. Click on navigator, go to general accounting, click on generals, click on generals, click on task pane or task list, click on create general. Now I want to create a general. Say auto post general category. We can take anything. Approval as say example for approval. Now account code combination. I want to create not pretend any. We'll go with stationery. Stationery expenses. Click OK. We'll go with $2,000. Now let's take cash account, take cash, hit search, select the accounting code combination and hit OK. Take 2000 M. Now here carefully, the batch status is unposted and the completion status is incomplete. Now click on save. The general should be in complete status. Hit complete. Now the completion status is complete. Now here you can observe I am not posting this button. I am not posting this general. Sorry. Now say save and close. Now to run auto post, Click on Navigator, click on General Accounting, go to Generals, create, click on Task List or Task Pane. Now run, say AutoPost. Now select our AutoPost criteria set, ERP AutoPost. Post only. Now click Submit. 11888507. Now check whether system has submitted it. See, system has submitted the process. System has submitted the process and system has posted our journal. Now let's go and check whether system has posted the journal. Go to General Accounting, Generals, click on Task List or Task Pane, click on Manage Journals. Now hit search. Now auto portion, and you can see the batch status is posted. Like this, you can automatically post all the journals. Now we'll see how to schedule the job. Run auto post, select your auto post criteria set, post only, click on advanced tab, click on schedule, using a schedule, select the radio button using a schedule, hourly or minute, for every 4 hours, I want to run this job and I want to set it for 2026, sorry, 2036. From now, 10 years. I want to minimum 10 years. You can set it and click on submit. So the best practice is to note the process ID and give it back to user so that users can track this information. Now say go to tools, scheduled process. Now auto post generals is submitted. Now if you see previously we have submitted one job. If you see there is no edit schedule here. In the bottom right corner, if you see, if you observe, there is no edit schedule. But if you see now there is edit schedule. Okay, this is how we can schedule, or if you want to edit the schedule, you can go and you can change the frequency and you can change the frequency and you can all customize it. Now if you forget that this job, the posted job, our job number is this 11885080. If you forget this, if you click on any child job, it will show the parent job ID 11885080, and you can find the same in Excel 11885080. That's it for today. And that's it for today's video. Now you know how to configure and use AutoPost generals in Oracle Fusion to automate your general posting process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. interview questions, and real-time scenarios. Also, let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.